Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the steps to download Farming Simulator 25 on your PC. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a platform where you can download and play thousands of games. If you don't have Steam installed yet, go to the official Steam website. You'll find the Install Steam button in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and follow the instructions to get it set up. Once Steam is installed, open it. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Click Create a free account and fill in your email and password details to get started. After logging in, you'll be in the main Steam interface. Now, go to the search bar at the top right and type in Farming Simulator 25 to find the game. When the game appears in the search results, click on it to open the store page. Here, you can view more about the game. To proceed with buying the game, click on the green Add to Cart button and follow the steps to complete the purchase. Once you've purchased the game, navigate to the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. You should see Farming Simulator 25 listed among your games. Click on the title and then press the Install button. A window will open, asking you to select where you'd like to install the game. Choose a location on your PC, click Next, and the download will begin automatically. After the game has finished downloading and installing, you'll see a Play button. Click it to launch Farming Simulator 25. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.